Hello friends, welcome to my channel Bows and Brushes. My name is Garemet and today we're making a milkshake because I was hungry. And my mom teach me to make a milkshake. So we're adding strawberries, blueberries, bananas, dry fruits. So we also need milk. So let's get making. So let's see. Should we add strawberries? Of course. Strawberries are my favorite fruit. Blueberries, not really, but they'll taste good when I shake them up. I know it. Let's add some strawberries. Now all my strawberries are put in. I'm going to do it easy with blueberries. Let's put them all in. Oh, one left. Now let's put some bananas. So now, what is this?
Ginger.
This is ginger.
It's good for your immunity.
It's good for your immunity.
And it tastes really good.
And it tastes amazing. So, now we're going to add milk. Let's add milk. Yeah, I hope that was perfect. I will drop salt in that later. So, now, we're going to put, where's the lid? There's the lid. We're going to put the lid, tie it properly. I'm going to put my mic right here for a second. Tie it good because we don't want it to fall out. Oh my god. I think that's good. Let's go up, 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 up. Yeah. Okay, now we're done with the smoothie. Now I have to put this on and have dry fruits. But this is scary. I didn't want to drop it. Please don't make me drop. Oh, I will use this side. Please don't make it drop. Perfect. And I did it without making many drops. Yes, now we have to add some dry fruits on top. Now we have to add dry fruits on top. No, dry fruits, okay? Add some dry fruits. My favorite dry fruits are these. So good. Oh, here's. I had so many in mine. So the dry fruits you're gonna add are these. You can add any dry fruit, but the one we had was this and these sweet ones. Do you think I should add more? Yes, more. Really add them until they're finished. And the last little teeny ones. Okay, we're finished. Now it's time to give it to my mom. Let's see how she likes it. Hello, Mom. Here you go. There you go.
For me? Awesome. Thank you.
Now another one for me. No, switch. I had extra on mine.
Oh,
I had extra sweet ones on mine.
thank you for this.
You're welcome. And wait. 5 stars out of. I give it 5 stars out of 5. 5 out of 5.
It's pretty good
Yeah.
and healthy.
It's healthy, no sugar in it.
Okay, kids, try this special recipe by Grammar and let us know in the comments how you like it.
Say this my mic.
Now you can eat this.
Ow.
You ate your mic? Okay, bye. See you later. And
Bye.
subscribe to our channel.
Bye.